Hi, in this video I am going to discuss how to insert a multi-page and single-page tables in easiest way. Now let's see how to make long tables in multi-pages. In the first page the table is coming like this, and in the second page it starts with continuation of the tables. So like that it goes on. In the third page also it will follow like this, with the starting is continuation of tables. Now here how to start with this is with the syntax is slash begin long table, and here two columns. So two columns with the center aligned with vertical lines. So C with vertical bar is given. Then multi-column 2. That is the column is merged. The two columns are merged with the title begin of table. It's written here. Then the contents are given here, something and something else. The top title. Now this is the title for the first title. So this is for n first head. Then second page first head we have to write it start with continuation of table statement. So to perform this we have to write like this, again multi-column 2 see continuation of table with the title starting as something and something else and end head. Then this is end 4. So these are the syntax used to design a long table. After that we have to write again end of table statements with same as slash multi-column 2 with the center line end of table. The end of table, the footer is here written with the merged one, so multi-column, and end last foot. So it's written like this. Next the table content is written like this. It goes on how many pages we want, we can write it. That's why the dotted lines are represented. Then after that end long table statements. So when we are executing these programs we will get the final tables. In the previous slides we have discussed how to make multi-page tables. Now we are going to see how to make a long tables in a single page. So this is one example. Here one long tables I designed within a single page. Now let's see how to. Now the long tables I have enlarged and showing the data. Now here for example how the long table data are returned for reference I am showing this one. Here we are seeing how to write the long tables. So first we are starting with the slash begin table statement, then slash begin sender and slash centering, then slash begin long table with the left aligned. So it's separated with the vertical parts and left aligned. Then caption is written, then begin tabular statement is written to insert the line break for each cells. So in the normal way, based on our requirements, we need to write the programs. So now to obtain the large tables in a single page, the main command we need to add is slash tiny. When we are using these statements, the long tables will be coming under a single page. This is the reference data to get the long tables. After finished all the data, then we have to end with first end long table and end sender and end table commands. Then after executing these tables, we will get the long tables in a single page. Thank you.